much. Have a look.
Yeah.
Come and join. And these are warm inside, so we don't want to spoil them.
I like it hot inside, not only warm, but I don't want to have it here in the kitchen. Maybe we go to the living room.
Very good idea.
We need a little helper.
Here comes a new kitchen helper. This little guy also senses when we're ready to serve the dessert. And it comes out and adjusts the height to the kitchen counter.
Perfect. And if you place it like this, you can see it lights up blue and the plates are held really hot. So if I go to the living room, it follows. And as you see, it adjusts the height. If I'm sitting here, it's the perfect height to have a really delicious lava cake.
And you see, ladies and gentlemen, our kitchen gadgets, they very much adjust to our needs.